All right, tonight we're making pizza, and we're gonna start with this Delalo made in Italy pizza dough. Okay, we've let our dough rise for about 45 minutes. It's still a little tacky, so we have a little flour we're gonna add to make it pliable. Making 2 batches here. This is just a pan I'm gonna make the pizza on initially, and I'm gonna transfer it to a stone and then to another smaller pan like this. We'll have one in the oven, one out on the grill, you know, kind of see what the difference is. Over here we got some Italian sausage cooking. We're gonna take a little bit of my habanero joes. Okay, I made 2 pizzas. The larger one here on the left is going to go in the oven at 425. The one on the right is going out on the grill on my stone. It's probably not going to go directly on the stone because the dough is too pliable and I'd never get it raw onto the stone while it's heated like you're supposed to. So I guess there's a way to do that. I just don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out. Our pizza on the grill's just about done. Gonna pull her off and let her cool down, and we're gonna chow down. I think the oven's cooking a little slower, so that'll come out just a couple minutes after this one. Okay, the oven baked one came out pretty good. You know, a little more balanced across the, you know, the top of it as far as how it got hot and all that. Not too bad. The barbecue one really got burnt on the edges and crispy on that stone because it was under direct heat. So anyway, I'm excited to try both, and we'll let you know how it was.